I really needed a workbench for my garage, so I bought one. Let's unbox it together. That's fun, right? Let's see what we got. It's a box, and I don't know how to open it apparently. Let's see. Goddamn, a lot of tape. Oh, it's down there too. Maybe I can just kind of. Do this. Oh, okay. Well, that's not the best angle. Oh, let's just get everything out and then I'll assemble it. This piece here, this is obviously the actual. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. This is a professional video. Here's our hardware. Here's some packing material. Here's a piece of foam that looks like the state of Nevada, or Nevada, however. Anyway. So here are all of the parts. As you see, we got them all laid out here. You got all my junk over there, the reason I need a workbench. And yeah, there's the hardware, the instructions. I'm gonna sit like a good little boy on the ground and figure out how to put this thing together. And I'll probably speed it up because it's probably gonna take me a long time. And this is why you don't build stuff when you're tired. Well, the stupid thing. Now it's stuck. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, so it's the next day. I am not nearly as tired as I was yesterday. And I finished putting it together. I figured out that I actually had these were backwards, so the little end with this tab I was trying to insert this way, and it wasn't working. And in my fit of rage, I actually I caused a little bit of damage with my hammer over there, but it's okay. But yeah, it's really nice. It has a little vise thing here. There's like little things you insert here so you can like clamp work pieces, which is pretty nice. I probably will get an actual like regular like workshop type vise to maybe bolt it up here. But yeah, if you're in the market for a workbench, these drawers actually are really nice. They slide really nice. So yeah, it's got a bottom shelf there, and yeah, I like it. It does come recommended.